Watching a bit more of the schoolboy football since the start of the business rounds, both the Manning and the DaCastor Cup, and as the sheep continue to separate themselves from the goat. For the Manning Cup, St. Andrew Technical, Hydel, Kingston College, St. George's College, Jamaica College, any one of those teams can win the cup this year. In the DaCastor Cup, the winners will come from Clarendon College, Cornwall College, Glenmuir or Dinthill. One noticeable thing about the season so far though, we're seeing more well-coached, properly organized football teams playing at a generally decent level. But we're not seeing a lot of outstanding individual players, maybe because of how outstanding Whisper Richards was last season. But we're not seeing that one or two individual crowd favorites with that kind of star power. We're seeing teams with some good young players who can become stars in another season or two. But this season, it's all about improved overall football. And by the way, I have Stacks and Clarendon College to clash in the Olivier Shield. You know what that means? Stacks and CC.